Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to do a video about Zilliqa. Basically, this video is mainly talking about the staking and stuff like this. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video, and let's get started. So for the first topic, we are going to talk about what is this Zilliqa all about. Basically, I'm just going to do a brief through telling you what is Zilliqa all about. Basically, it is a smart contract platform which we all know that Ethereum is the first one, and after that from there's like some issues with Ethereum, like the overclocking, and after that from there, like basically it's not as scalable, and after that basically Zilliqa is somehow similar to Ethereum itself, and after that I would say it can run like smart contract on it, and of course you can design NFT on it as well. And after that, overall the whole ecosystem itself, this Zilliqa, it is developed by Singaporean, basically from NUS, and after that from there I would say that I love to support local company, therefore I have already took part in the ecosystem on staking and stuff like this. So previously on my channel itself, I have done a video about Zilliqa mining, which is gonna pop up above, and after that on the video itself I spoke about what is Zilliqa about, the ZIL mining, staking, and after that how can you buy and where do you hold, and after that stuff like this, basically all the things that you need to know about Zilliqa mining, and after that I win the whole ecosystem. So now we are going to talk about the staking. So on Zilliqa's, this Zilliqa's ZIL staking itself, we know that right now there's some validators over here, which you can see there's basically the fees that they're charging, the commission fee for you to delegate your ZIL with them, and after that from there they are running all almost basically basically right now they are charging like some fees for you to delegate your Zilliqa with them. And after that, basically overall what is Zilliqa staking all about is for you guys to basically, in basically layman term itself, is for you to basically you buy the stock, and after that from there, if you want to compare it with the traditional stock itself, you are like buying the stock of ZIL, and after that from there you are just holding it on the network, and from there you receive dividends daily, weekly, I mean basically it's daily. And after that over here, basically this is different concept with the traditional like stock investment stuff like this. So if you guys are new to cryptocurrency, I would say that you can compare it with stock. Basically you're buying the stock, and after that from there you're holding it, and from there you can generate passive income. But of course it is not that simple, because on Zilliqa itself you will need to use some software, a wallet, and after that from there to hold your Zilliqa, and from there you need to know how to delegate and all the stuff about it, and I'm gonna explain it to you. So first of all, if you say if you guys want to like basically have a staking, basically want to get dividends from Zilliqa itself, first of all you need to have the wallet. So I would recommend you downloading this thing called a Zilliqa, basically the Zil Pay. Yep. So basically you can head over to the website which is Zilliqa.io. From here you can basically set up a wallet and stuff like this. So I'm just going to log out. So over here you can set up your own wallet, or basically access your wallet. So I recommend you downloading like Zil Pay. If you are using Ledger, you can use it. If let's say you're using Ledger itself, you also can use the Zil Pay option to link up, and of course you can use Moonlet as well. And after that, this over here, it is not recommended to use basically private key store and your 12-word phrase. So over here, if you want to set up a wallet, just click on connect, and once you have connected your wallet, you can just head over to the staking itself, and from there this is how the ecosystem look like, the interface. And after that over here, I would say that we are going to talk about the staking rewards. So on the staking reward itself over here, stakingrewards.com, there's a website for Zilliqa staking, and after that from here it can determine like how much you're gonna earn and stuff like this. So we do not want to, basically most of you guys out there will look at the US dollar value, but I will not really look at the US dollar value, because it is cryptocurrency, and I would say it is super volatile. And after that, today your whole portfolio can be worth 100,000, and after that tomorrow it can worth 200,000, and after that the next hour it can worth another 50,000. And after that I would say that it is very super volatile, therefore I would say that just use the ZIL option. Let's say you want to start staking on ZIL. So for example, if we have 100,000 worth of ZIL, which is currently how much? So 100,000 worth of ZIL is around 7,920 US dollar. And after that over here we can see that on the staking reward itself, over here for the term, let's say you want to stake for 30 days, we just put it as 1 year for easier reference. Why is that so? Because we are looking, most probably everybody's looking for the annual, the APY, how much you're gonna earn annually, and after that stuff like this. So on Zilliqa itself, the network, the rewards itself, it is estimated to be 13.87%. And after that, I would say it's like it is definitely more than whatever they are showing over here. I'm going to explain it to you why, and after that it is much more interesting when we go down onto the video. So over here, let's say you have 1,000 worth of 100,000 worth of Zil, you stick for 1 year, you delegate. Basically, we only can delegate, and after that, I would say that you are estimated to earn around 1.14 thousand worth of Zil, and after that, on top of that, basically you are still earning additional rewards, which is the gZil. So how does it work? Basically, every one so you can see the ratio. Every 1,000 Zil equals to 1 gZil, and after that, from there, the gZil itself has a value. So 1 gZil right now is around 115. So right now we are gonna talk about the staking. So over here, there's like a few options for you to stake with. So I'm just gonna head to the topic. So for you guys out there, most of you guys are basically using a wallet, if not an exchange, and after that, from there, the exchange is offering you to basically like, hey, stake with us, we are gonna give you like 30% and stuff like this. But of course, if let's say there's two types of staking over here. So the first type of staking is either you control your whole wallet, basically like what I'm doing, I'm holding my private keys, and after that, I'm using my basically this thing called a ledger. So I use ledger to hold my cryptocurrency, and after that, from there, I've linked my Zil into it. And after that, basically what is going on over here is, let's say if you are doing the same stuff like me, basically we need to handle the private keys, and after the stuff like this, it is much more complicated, slightly complicated, because you need to handle your own private keys, you need to keep your wallet safe and stuff like this. Therefore, yeah, the reward is slightly higher. So if let's say you are going to stake with the exchange, basically you do not need to do anything on the exchange. First of all, just buy the Zil token, stake your Zil over there, and after they issue you Zil, and after that, from there, you're happy. And after that, I would say that if you put in the extra little bit more work by basically handling your own private keys, and after that, sending your Zil out of the exchange, and from there you stake it on your own wallet, and you choose your own validator itself, your validator, yep. And after that, over here you can earn the additional reward called the gZil, and after that, one gZil is around 115, which I would say if you are staking it on an exchange, the exchange is not going to give you this thing called the gZil. Basically, they're just going to give you Zilliqa, whatever you are staking. Because you are staking Zilliqa, they are offering you Zilliqa. And of course, the downside behind it, they will not tell you that, oh hey, we are also earning this thing called a gZil, and we are not basically they are not going to issue with the governance Zil itself. Why is that so? Because they themselves need the governance Zil to basically have the cost on the network and stuff like this. So staking it outside staking it on your own itself, I would say, is the best, and after that, most recommended way for you to basically stake your gZil, your Zilliqa, and from there you can basically earn every 1,000 Zil that you're earning 1 gZil, and after that, so on and so forth. And after that, basically you can accumulate all the gZil that you want. So I've accumulated around 10 gZil, and right now we are going to talk about the staking rewards of my own personal staking. So on my own personal staking itself, we can see I have staked around 104k worth of Zil, and after that, over here we can see about a month ago, around, when is it, 28th of June. Yep, so 28th of June, is it? Nope. So okay, basically 1 month ago, I staked basically I have done some readjustment on my portfolio. So basically I was having like 130,000 worth of Zil and stuff like this, but of course I intended to like cash out some of it, so I did not really make a video on the process of like how much am I staking and stuff like this, because previously all the stuff itself is very confusing. Therefore, I'm just going to focus on last month. Previously on last month, 1 month ago, exactly around there, plus minus 3-4 days. Over here you can see I've staked around 104,000 worth of Zil, Zil itself, and after that the fee is around 1 Zil and plus minus. And of course we can see that after a month itself, I have not even do a claim reward. So over here you can see, once I refresh the block itself, there's no claim reward. And after that, over here I'm just showing you for illustration purposes. So over here on the back end itself, if let's say you're staking your Zil, same like me, basically using the third-party wallet, and after that, if not a hardware wallet, you are able to see the option on Zilliqa itself. On the staking itself, it's going to show you the unclaimed reward, which I can claim now, which I am not going to do it right now. Basically, if you guys want to, I can do it for you guys if we are for the video purposes. Yep, so give me a while. So over here my wallet is a bit old, therefore I can't really see what is showing. Yep, so you can see, basically you can't see anything because this is really very faded. So I would say that how does it work? Basically, once you have stake on the, how do you want to even stake? Just click on stake itself, click on it. They're gonna ask you how much you want to put in, and after that which provider you want to choose. Of course, I choose the lowest fee one. Why is that so? So this over here, I'm gonna show you the experience. I mean what's the difference on it. So over here we can see there's quite a lot of provider out here, and after that from there they are charging from 1% all the way to 12%, and after that from there you are now choosing your validator. You are a bit confused. Why is that so? What because on previous all the validator over here, they are offering you like bonuses, like lucky draws, like if you're gonna stake with view block itself, they are offering like a lucky draw. So over here this is like a lucky draw. So all of them are providing lucky draw, but to be honest, you are not that lucky. I would say that's the fact. If you want to calculate the odds itself, basically you are not really, it is hard to be that lucky to win that lucky draw itself. So I would say that if you are not staking like millions worth of ZIL itself, you can just choose the lowest fees provider, and from there you can just pay less commission fee, and of course you earn much more than paying the 5% or even 12% depending on you. But of course I stick with CXIO, and after that basically an exchange. So if you guys who want to stick with their exchange without pulling your funds out, you can sign up using the link down below. And after that over here, if let's say you want to start claim your reward, just click on claim, and over here I need to enter the password. So over here I need to choose the average, so I'm just gonna put it an average and confirm. And right now I need to head over to my wallet to basically verify this transaction. Damn, I can't see it. So give me a while. So if you are using a ledger itself, it is somehow complicated. So over here you can see I already sent the transaction, and after that I'm right now claiming my ZIL from the network itself, which I have not been claiming for the past 1 month. And after that basically how much have I earned. So for you guys out there, you want to know how much am I earning in the US dollar value, I'm going to do the calculation now. So for Zilliqa itself, I'm earning around 92 for that 1 month, and after that for the ZIL itself, I am accumulating around 137. So we are gonna do a math on the calculator itself. If we're gonna sum up these two numbers, how much will it be? So over here, if I sum up this amount of numbers, it is around $226 that I'm potentially earning out of the exchange. If you are going to stake on your own, basically you can earn up to this amount. If let's say you are staking with the exchange, yes, they will just only offer you this thing called a ZIL, and after that you are earning around $92. Instead, you are missing out around $130 which is the governance token. Basically, if you are not holding it outside your wallet, you are not going to receive your gZil. Basically, if you're going to put it on the exchange will claim your gZil on behalf of you, and after that from there they are going to offer you the ZIL only. And after that, right now you can see that the gZil itself, it is going to end. Basically right now they are still offering gZil for people who are staking for the first or 2 years, if I'm not wrong. And after that, after this has run out, I will say that there's no more gZils left to be mined. And after that, basically whoever has the most gZil itself can have voting power on the Zilliqa network, and of course have influence towards the network's update. And after that, other like technical stuff, if you guys understand how does blockchain work, basically decentralized. And after that there's a voting stuff. Basically you need to have the governance token to call for shots, and after that basically lead the network to its decentralized way. And after that basically I've come to the end of the video. And of course, if you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace. Bye bye.